this is the rucksack. Now, I wouldn't say it's all about fashion. So, it has lots of different compartments. So you've got the front pocket, which is actually really deep. Most rucksacks that you get, or bags, the actual pockets are like this deep. Especially with women's stuff. So this is unisex, so this is catered for men and women. So front pocket, really deep, really deep. Then you've got the front bit, which comes out. So it's got lots of different pockets in. So it's got a little keyring thing. I'm guessing you can put your keys or something on that. Some more little pockets. So you've got like a little phone pocket, some other extra pockets, and a zip pocket with this funny material on the front of it. So that's pocket number 2. Well, section number 2. Then you've got the middle one, which is huge, and I'm guessing this is just mainly, I'll probably put my chargers and stuff in there. 2 little bits of this material pockets. Then you've got the main section, and then you've got an extra pocket. And this is where the charging port comes in. So you've got this wire in the bag, and it leads through into here. So this is where you charge your laptop. And then you would just put your portable charger on the other end inside the bag, which I find really helpful. When you're travelling and doing all of this, you need a portable charger, and you don't always want it to be out and about with all the cables. And then you've got your back pocket, which is where you put your laptop and any other bits that you really want, to be honest. So I also like the fact that at the back it's got these comfy pads, so nothing's sticking into the back of you. And you've also got this, so anything you want to put behind it, you can. I'm not too sure what you could put behind it. Maybe a something like, I mean, jumpers are always a thing. I hate wrapping them around my waist or putting them through the handles I normally do, so I don't have to carry them. And then you've also got a little compartment that's padded at the back. It's actually quite thick padding. So I'm going to get all this stuff together and put this bag together so I have less crap down there. So let's go. Easiest thing first is the laptop. So I've been keeping my laptop in here, which is really annoying because I have to keep opening it up each time, and I just can't take this anywhere. So the reason I keep it in here, the only thing that's helpful is when I'm sitting in bed editing, I just use it on here so it doesn't overheat on the blanket. So I use this as a little desk. That's the only good thing about keeping it in the box. But those days are gone. That is perfect. Beautiful. So the straps, oh, that is so nice and tight.